Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix email to Gmail. This is a fantastic way to manage all your business communications in one place, making it easier to respond to inquiries and keep track of customer messages. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Wix website, open up your browser, and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Wix account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your website. Now look over to the left navigation menu where you'll see various options for managing your site. From this menu, click on Inbox. This is where all your email communications will be handled, and it's the starting point for connecting your Gmail account. Once you click on Inbox, you'll be directed to your active inbox page. Now, if you haven't set up your inbox yet, don't worry. The process is incredibly simple. You might see a prompt or button that says Set up Inbox. If that's the case, go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the setup process and get you ready to integrate your Gmail account. Setting up your inbox is essential because it allows you to centralize all your customer communications and respond efficiently without having to switch between different platforms. After you click on Set up Inbox, a right side menu will appear on your screen. This menu contains several options for configuring your inbox settings. Since we're specifically looking to add a Gmail email address to your Wix inbox, you'll want to locate and click on the option that says Set Gmail Sender Address. This feature is designed to seamlessly link your Gmail account with your Wix inbox, ensuring that all your emails are synchronized and easy to manage from one location. The process from here is pretty straightforward and shouldn't take more than a moment. All you have to do is click on Continue with Google. This will open up a Google authentication window where you can select the Gmail account you wish to use for your Wix inbox. Simply choose the Gmail address you want to connect, and Google will handle the authorization automatically. This step ensures that your Gmail and Wix inbox are securely linked, allowing you to send and receive emails directly from your Wix dashboard without any hassle. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Wix email to Gmail, streamlining your workflow and making it easier to manage all your business communications in one centralized location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.